Assalamualaikum everyone, I hope you are doing well. Now here's the deal. If you are giving your AS level math retake in October and November 26, you need to be organized. It is not wise to assume that somehow everything will get done on its own and you will be prepared for the exam in October. Now I don't know when you're watching this video, but whenever you are, here's a short plan that you should follow to get you through your retakes. First, get the smaller component done, whether it's S1 or M1. There are about 7 or 8 topics to do. Get those done in 10 days. And when I say get them done in 10 days, I expect you to practice 20 questions from each topic from the past papers, a topical past paper book, or something else to get you through the topic well. Once you are done with those topics in the next 10 days, what you should then focus on is yearly past papers for that component, whether it's S1 or M1. Do one every alternate day. Meanwhile, what you should start off with is your preparation for P1. Now, for the preparation for P1, what I would strongly recommend is that you do the chunkier topics first. So you pick up differentiation, you pick up integration, you pick up functions, you get those long topics done beforehand. Then you can start off with the smaller topics. The smaller topics can include binomial expansions or arithmetic geometric progressions or circular measure. Now, trigonometry should be a larger topic that I missed earlier. You should practice that too. Again, to do those P1 questions, I recommend that you pick up 20 questions from the topical past papers and get them done. Once you are done with that, you will probably be prepared for the other component, which is S1 or M1, and you will be focused on doing your P1 yearly past papers right before your exams. If you like this plan, follow it, but have a plan that you want to follow.